Ever had a recipe go completely sideways because you mismeasured something? Maybe your cookies spread too thin, or your bread turned out dense and heavy, and you thought, why does this always happen? If you've been eyeballing flour or sugar instead of weighing it, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. That's where a good kitchen scale changes everything. And today we're taking a close look at the Suryol Food Kitchen Scale, a sleek, high-precision digital scale designed to make accurate cooking and baking effortless. Right out of the box, the Suryol scale makes a solid first impression. It's shiny black, compact, and slim enough to slide into a drawer when you're not using it, yet large enough to handle most bowls and baking dishes comfortably. Its minimalist design means it doesn't clutter your countertop, and the food-grade stainless steel panel is both hygienic and easy to wipe clean. If you're tired of sticky flour or sugar residue ruining your kitchen gadgets, this scale immediately feels like a step up. The real magic is in how simple it is to use. There's a clear backlit digital display with negative white numbers that are ultra-readable, even if your kitchen lighting is on the dim side. You don't have to squint or hover over the screen. The large buttons are intuitive, and switching between units, grams, ounces, pounds with ounces, milliliters, or fluid ounces, is literally one touch. This makes it perfect for following recipes from any cookbook or online source, no matter the measurement system. Precision is where this scale really shines. It measures up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms in 1 gram increments, which is ideal for everything from spices and herbs to flour and sugar. I tested it with a range of ingredients, and every single measurement was consistent and reliable. For baking enthusiasts, this level of accuracy is critical because even a small deviation can throw off a recipe. Compared to some other kitchen scales in the same price range, the Suryol feels noticeably more stable and precise, without any annoying wobble that cheaper scales often have. Ease of maintenance is another strong point. The stainless steel panel makes cleaning effortless. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth, no scrubbing required. It's also lightweight, so moving it around the kitchen or storing it in a drawer is a breeze. Despite being slim and compact, the platform is sturdy enough to hold heavier bowls without tipping. It's quiet when weighing and zeroing out, and the tare function is easy to use, which means you can measure multiple ingredients in the same bowl without constantly doing mental math. Now, for some honest talk about drawbacks. While the display is bright and clear, it can be a little reflective under strong overhead light, so angle matters. Also, the shiny black surface can show fingerprints, but a quick wipe solves that easily. Compared to high-end scales that cost twice as much, it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity or app integration. But if you're primarily focused on precision and simplicity in your kitchen, those features aren't necessary for most home cooks or bakers. Who is this scale for? It's ideal for anyone who bakes regularly, cooks with precision, or wants to improve consistency in recipes. If you're measuring coffee, flour, sugar, or liquids, this scale delivers the accuracy and ease of use you need. On the other hand, if you only cook occasionally and don't need exact measurements, a basic scale or measuring cups may be sufficient. But for anyone serious about consistency, this scale is a game changer. Compared to other digital kitchen scales in the $20 to $30 range, the Suryol offers a combination of sleek design, precise measurement, and user-friendly controls that's hard to beat. Some cheaper scales may be slightly smaller or lighter, but they often compromise on accuracy or build quality. With Suryol, you get a tool that not only works well, but looks and feels high quality, without breaking the bank. And so, what's the bottom line? The Suryol Food Kitchen Scale is a reliable, accurate, and easy-to-use kitchen tool that simplifies cooking and baking. It's precise enough for serious bakers, yet intuitive enough for everyday cooking. It's compact, easy to clean, and designed with practical usability in mind. My final verdict? I'm giving a 9 out of 10. The only minor deductions come from the reflective display and fingerprint-prone surface, but those are easy fixes for what is otherwise a fantastic kitchen scale. If you enjoyed this review and want to take the guesswork out of your cooking and baking, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and check the link in the description to grab your own Suryol Food Kitchen Scale. Accurate measurements make all the difference. Trust me, your future self will thank you.